Hello guys, Giovanni with Hardscape.com. We are in Henderson, Nevada, and this is our first 3cm 16 by 32 patio area that we are doing. We are not doing that. We're the supplier, of course, but the installers are installing. The homeowner decided to go with the Pietra Antica, which is a beautiful design. As you guys can see, this is the desert, and it really blends in really well with the landscape and the mountains around this particular home. The guys are moving pretty quick. This is their very first install of a 3cm 16 by 32. We are following them step by step. We are helping them. I'm here. I've been here since from the beginning, and they're doing a great job and learning quite a bit of it. So if you guys would like to learn more about installation of porcelain pavers, reach out to sales@hardscape.com. We'll be glad to help you guys out. And Giovanni, Hardscape.com in Henderson, Nevada. Hello guys, Giovanni with Hardscape.com. We are back at our installation of our first 16 by 32 3cm in Henderson, Nevada. This is our Pietra Antica, which is a beautiful design, really blends in with the landscape. And we're gonna have a transition here where we're gonna raise this section with type 2, and then we're gonna put our sand, and we're going to be continuing this installation out. You guys noticed permanent spacers have been used everywhere in here. Spacers against the cuts, which is really important. Right? You can see that even here, there's a spacer right there. A lot of people do not use spacers against the walls, and they think that that's okay. Movement of the porcelain hitting the walls is going to break the edge of the porcelain. So you don't want to do that. Make sure that your spacers are all around and that they're permanent, guys. It's really important, right? We're going to be bringing you more of this install. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, send us an email, sales@hardscape.com. Thank you.